Now, what is main method? Main method is the starting and the end point of an executable program in C sharp language. It is the first method which will be invoked when we run a program in C sharp language. It also has some rules, like the main method can only be uh, declared inside a class or struct. It can be public or private. If we write public in front of this main, public static void main, then the scope of this main method would be public. Otherwise we can remove this, so the scope will turn into the private by default if we do not specify any access modifier with the main method. And another rule of using main method is it should be static, it must be static. So these are some kind of rules uh, to execute and to use the main method in C sharp.